This is Nikita Singhai. Now I am going to start a new chapter of Civics Class 9, Constitutional Design. Please like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and relatives so that you can get more further updates. This is part 4. If you have not seen my part 1, part 2, part 3 video, the link is given down. Please click it on. First, see that, then only you will get what part 4 is all about. Here we are discussing about the dreams and the promises as per by the Mahatma Gandhi. So first we can see Mahatma Gandhi in his magazine Young India in 1931 spelled out what he wanted the constitution to be. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar criticized Mahatma Gandhi and his vision. Jawaharlal Nehru gave a speech on midnight of August in 1947. He stated, when the world is asleep, India will awake to life and freedom. Freedom and power brings responsibilities. Service of India means service of millions who suffer. The ambition of the greatest man of our generation has been to wipe every tear from every eye. So here we can also state that again that what Mahatma Gandhi has also stated. He stated that the constitution of India should be like एक ऐसा आज़ाद देश और मुल्क जहां गरीब इंसान को लगे कि उसकी आवाज़ सुनी जाती है। इंडिया एक ऐसा देश हो जहां हाई क्लास लो क्लास ना हो और ऐसा देश हो जहां युवक नशा ना करे, अनटचेबिलिटी खत्म हो, मैन वुमेन एक समान हो, मैन वुमेन शुड गेट राइट टू बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट। इस फिलॉसफी के साथ प्रियम्बल बनाया गया। So now let's see what preamble is all about. The Constitution begins with the short statement of its basic values. It is called the preamble of the Constitution. या हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि ये एक तरीके का यूएसए में सबसे पहले स्टार्ट हुआ था preamble. एक written poem है which shows the philosophy of the Constitution, जो एक पूरा आइडियोलॉजी आइडिया देती है कि कैसा एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का निर्माण होना चाहिए। So here we can also say the Constitution of India is a very long and detailed document, amended quite regularly to keep updated. It lays down a procedure for choosing person to govern the country, defines who will have how much power to take decisions, put limits to what the government can do by providing some rights to the citizen and cannot be violated. This is actual the preamble. We can say that we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to the constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, fraternity in our Constitution Assembly, the 26th day of November 1949, hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves with this constitution. तो हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक तरीके का सिस्टम है जिसमें हम सब इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर्म या वैल्यू इंस्टीट्यूशन अरेंजमेंट कर सकते हैं जिसको हम फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में लागू कर सकें। ये एक लॉन्ग डिटेल डॉक्यूमेंट है so that it can be updated. They made new provisions that are known as constitutional amendments. Constitution has an arrangement of legal language. It tells the procedure, power and responsibility for the government and how can we let it in our nation. We can also say that these are the maker of the constitution. So now let's learn about some terms: sovereignty, socialism, secularism, democratic republic, nature of India, justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. So now this is sovereign. यहाँ की गवर्नमेंट खुद फैसला लेगी अपने सिटीजन्स के अधिकार के लिए और कोई बाहर का व्यक्ति इंडिया में आकर डिसीजंस नहीं ले सकता बिकॉज इट इज़ अ सॉवरेन कंट्री। सेक्युलर, इंडिया इज़ अ सेक्युलर कंट्री या सब रिलीजन एक साथ हैं कोई भी किसी भी रिलीजन को प्रीच कर सकता है और कोई भी एक अकेले रिलीजन को फॉलो करना रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है। यहाँ जो जो रिलीजन मानना चाहता है वो अपना रिलीजन प्रीच कर सकता है। Democratic, everyone has got a power to vote. One vote, every vote counts. One vote has one value, and everyone is independent to vote and take decision of their own. Justice, justice plays a vital role. कानून अगर कोई भी उल्लंघन करता है तो न्याय जरूर मिलेगा उस व्यक्ति को। Liberty, everyone is free, liberal to choose to express himself, to express his ideas, views, ideology. Equality, everyone is equal in the eye of law, man and woman are equal. Fraternity, it means a group of people sharing common profession or interest. They can come together, they can participate, and they can carry out their working. So now the